The Karur tragedy, the Stampede tragedy, in which 41 people died during the TVK rally that was taking place there. To talk more about this, and there's a massive blame game that is currently underway. FIRs have been filed. The police are on the lookout for a functionary of the TVK. But to talk more about the kind of arrangements, what are the lessons learned? What can we do going forward in such situations? We're now joined by Kiran Bedi, a former super cop and governor. She needs no introduction. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on the program. You must have been seeing for days, ever since the tragedy took place, the Stampede, there's been this massive political blame game, blame also being put on the police for the handling of this massive rally. After everything that you've seen, ma'am, first your comments on this tragedy and the lessons learned.
Oh, such tragedies are totally avoidable and preventable, provided there's prior planning, due communication and due diligence. When prior planning, proper communication and due diligence and working together as an administration and organizers is missing, such events happen.
That's right, ma'am. And what we've seen from the police, as there's talk of intelligence failure, how they were not prepared for such a massive crowd, is that they have said that this rally was meant to have taken place at noon. It took place much later, several hours later, around 6 o'clock, is when you saw Vijay arriving. The crowds had swollen up by then, and they expected 10,000 people. It turned out to be 3 times that amount.
That's a failure of both police intelligence as well as the organizers' assessment. It's a mutual failure, and both are responsible. Police could have cancelled it. Police have said we cannot put people at risk. And they could have told the person's organizers concerned that it's your fault. The point is, the crowd is beyond and we don't have the capacity. We do not have a matching police arrangement. So the organizers could have done something else. They could have been advised to do audiovisual, they could have done a video interview, etc. See, the problem here is, what is the purpose of the meeting? What are the purpose of the organizers asking for this kind of rally? Is people. They want people. They want people to watch you, see you, connect with you, listen to you. But you cannot do it at the cost of vulnerable people who would come. So I think, and the police had a duty to assess that now there is a risk of stampedes and that cannot be handled. So therefore, they could have found other ways of doing it. They should have discussed it with the organizers and found a way out. But you can't do one at the cost of the other. You have to take decisions. So police, now remember also one thing, police does not take such decisions in isolation. It's an administrative decision. Now this would have been a highly political decision because it would want to have political implications. Therefore, it's an administrative decision which should have huddled together and then directed and then taken a call. In this case, there's not only the police department involved, there's also administration involved. There's a magistracy involved. There's a secretary of home involved. There's a politician involved. There are a lot of people involved. And they should have all. The police is a face of the administration. So I think both ought to have taken a conscious decision protecting human safety.
Right, ma'am. Now, you said that the police having seen, or the administration having seen how the crowd had swelled up from 10,000 anticipated to, over 20,000 that were actually there on the ground, they should have cancelled this rally. Now, ma'am, somebody like you, when you were, in your heydays as a top cop, perhaps that's something you could have done. But let's face it, these things, as you yourself said, are very political. It's not easy for the administration to step in and cancel a rally. Already there's such a lot of blame game between the ruling DMK and TVK that is challenging them.
The cancellation does not just come by one announcement. They could have used social media. They could use television. They could have asked the organizers to come on television and make an appeal saying, sorry, the rally will now cost, it could lead to stampede. So the appeals could come both from the organizers saying, I cannot do it, I can do it as a message. And the police also. So it's a mass communication, and today there's no shortage of resources to communicate. Social media, radio, television, announcements, and even the television, his own messages. So I think the onus lay on a mutual decision where both had a common purpose. Common purpose was not assemblies at human risk.
That's right, ma'am. And, if we see recently, we had the tragic stampede in June in Bengaluru after the IPL final. Now this tragic stampede again in which 41 lives are lost. And somehow it's the police that does get the blame. They somehow become the scapegoat. We saw that in Bengaluru, and now once again here as well we're seeing this. Your comments on that, and going forward again, if you could just finally tell us what would be your words of advice, or what would you like the governments and authorities to now do in such situations?
That is exactly my point. The media only picks up the police. Media does not understand that police is a part of district administration. And in the district administration, there's a district collector. There is a home secretary. There is a chief secretary. And there's a home minister. And there's even a chief minister. So these are political leadership. And by the way, they would be even a member of the parliament. And by the way, they may be even a member of the legislative assembly whose constituency it is. All of them are stakeholders, and all of them are also decision takers and influencers. The police is the visible face of the administration, and it then decides to carry out. It's very rarely. You see, this is crowd management. It's not crowd control. Had it been a small crowd, the police takes a spot decision to disperse the assembly and use other methods, lawful methods, of course. But here's an event which a crowd management, and it has political implications. You think only the police will say cancel? No, it would be an administrative decision, and the administration takes a brunt. Whether it gets the credit for it, whatever decision it takes, or the credit or discredit, whatever the decision is, you cannot put it only on the police. Police is an extension of the decision which administration takes collectively.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Kiran Bedi, for joining us on the program and, sharing your comments there. Thank you very much again for joining us.
Thank you.